Hello everybody, welcome to this spectacular English class. Today we are going to continue working with our verb to be, but in this case in negative form, okay? I'm going to continue working here in my laptop and you have to follow all the instructions, okay? Let's begin. Okay, here in our first slide we can see the verb to be in two forms, separated form and contraction form. Repeat, please. Separated form and contraction form. Okay? First one. Repeat, please. I am not. I am not. In front, you see, I'm not. I'm not. The second one. He or she or it is not. In front, he isn't, or she isn't, or it isn't. Very good. Excellent. The last one. You are not. You are not. In front, you see, you aren't. You aren't. Very good. Excellent. Okay? Continue. Next. One by one. Remember, I am going to say the sentence. You are going to follow me or you repeat after me. Okay? Let's begin. I am not a student. I am not a student. The second one is in contraction form. You say, I'm not a student. I'm not a student. Excellent. Very, very good. Okay? The second one. I am not at school. I am not at school. I'm not at school. I'm not at school. Very good. Next one. You are not a cashier. You are not a cashier. You aren't a cashier. You aren't a cashier. Very good. Excellent. You are not at the supermarket. You are not at the supermarket. You aren't at the supermarket. You aren't at the supermarket. Very good. Excellent. The next one. He is not an actor. He is not an actor. He isn't an actor. He isn't an actor. He is not in a TV program. He is not in a TV program. He isn't in a TV program. He isn't in a TV program. Awesome. Very good. Next one. She is not a teacher. She is not a teacher. She isn't a teacher. She isn't a teacher. Very good. Very good. She is not in a meeting. She is not in a meeting. She isn't in a meeting. She isn't in a meeting. Very, very well. Wonderful. Next one. It is not a pet. It is not a pet. It isn't a pet. It isn't a pet. Very good. Very good. Next one. It is not in a cage. It is not in a cage. It isn't in a cage. It isn't in a cage. Very good. Excellent. We are not friends. We are not friends. We aren't friends. We aren't friends. Very good. We are not in the park. We are not in the park. We aren't in the park. We aren't in the park. Very good. Excellent. You are not brothers. You are not brothers. You aren't brothers. You aren't brothers. Very good. You are in the living room. You are in the living room. You aren't in the living room. You aren't in the living room. Very good. Excellent. The last one. They are not classmates. They are not classmates. They aren't classmates. They aren't classmates. They are not in the classroom. They are not in the classroom. They aren't in the classroom. They aren't in the classroom. Very, very good. Excellent. Remember, you have to pause the video, repeat the sentences, read the sentences, record in your brain, and practice every day. Excellent. Dear students, okay? Don't forget, here I have a living taking, saying hello. You say goodbye, or you say take care, or you say see you, or see you later. See you later, alligator. Okay, bye-bye. God bless you. See you in the next class.